Introducing MPRC's Exhaust Band Clamp Kit. MPRC, innovators in seal technology, have developed a superior exhaust clamp kit designed to support early model 567 and 645E exhaust systems, utilizing a clamping style exhaust joint. MPRC's specially designed clamp and proprietary sealing material have answered the call of many locomotive owners to replace failing OEM sealing materials. The first item we'll look at in this kit is the clamp, MPRC part number 0-EM40049620. For our next kit item, MPRC uses our proprietary exhaust material, part number 0-EM40049619-CG1. MPRC's proprietary sealing wrap will handle 2300 degree Fahrenheit temperatures and is easy to install. MPRC suggests the use of 3M77 gasket adhesive for use on MPRC gasket applications. Please note, if you have an OEM clamp and only need the OEM grade gasket material, MPRC has you covered. MPRC offers our part number 0-EM40049618-CG2, which is an upgrade from standard OEM grade construction. Discard the existing clamp and sealing material and clean the surface of the two manifolds that are to be joined. Spray the gasket adhesive, again 3M77 is recommended, on a 2-inch or more line across both exhaust manifold flanges. Be careful not to overcoat, a little goes a long way. Wrap MPRC's proprietary wrap around the two manifold flanges and join or slightly overlap the two joining ends. The gasket adhesive will hold the two parting ends together. Place the proprietary steel clamp around the wrap and tighten clamp bolts to an appropriate torque. This will allow the clamp to hold the MPRC wrap in place and not allow exhaust smoke to escape the seal during engine operation. For more information on the MPRC Exhaust Band Clamp Kit, please call us at 800-397-3429 or email us at sales@mprcseals.com. For more product news, info, and more, be sure to follow us on social media or visit mprcseals.com. Thanks so much for watching.